Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Monday morning. It is the 12th day of February, 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the home weather office. And as I look out the window, I get sunshine. High, thin clouds going by. That's the sort of cloud cover we'll likely continue to see during the day today and probably tomorrow as well. But otherwise, nice. Temperature still running on the cooler side, pretty close to average, but cool mornings and nice afternoons. We are looking at chances of rain later this week and into the weekend. The weekend is obviously, it's farther out, so there is more uncertainty there. Some of the models have come in a little wetter, some a little bit drier. Either way, it does look as though we are going to see some rain this weekend that you may have to plan around. And there's also a chance of rain before that. So let's get into what's going on. I'm going to start with the 500 millibar chart today. So this is the flow up around 18,000 feet. And we use this as a good indicator of little weather systems going by, troughs and ridges and that sort of thing. So right now we have a weak ridge over California. That's California right there. Weak ridge, little wave out here. And as we go through the next couple of days, as we get into, this is Wednesday, nice little ridge. Now, this is the wave that's likely going to come by on Wednesday night and Thursday, but it's looking very weak. That's not the sort of, I'm going to back that up again. This isn't the sort of pattern you want to see that's going to give you something in the way of a lot of rain. It's actually kind of a weakening wave that goes by. There will likely be rain Wednesday night and maybe into early Thursday morning, but that isn't anything all that significant. But what it may do, look at the flow behind it. It kind of opens the door, if you will, to have other weather systems come off the Pacific. So as we get into the day Friday, we get a bit of a ridge. So Friday should be a pretty good day. Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, Friday morning, all look good. And then as we get into the weekend, as you can see right here, we are once again likely have the jet here, and we are at the exit region of the jet, which means that we are in a favorable position to be getting rain. This is Saturday afternoon. And the other problem, I think, with some of the model discrepancies that we're seeing for the weekend is that it looks like we're going to deal with another cutoff low. Maybe not one that meanders around and sticks around for a long time, but when you get this sort of a thing, the placement is very, very important. If this heads south, we don't get very much. If it stays a little farther north, we get more. So I think that's why the models are going back and forth on this, because we do have this cutoff low that goes by, and then we have a little wave coming in behind it. This is all the way into next Monday and Tuesday, and that wave behind it would reinforce cold air and bring us some snow. So we are going to get into a more active pattern here later on this week. So the other thing we like to look at here is the precipitable water across the Pacific, because you can have all the great dynamics you want, but if you don't have good precipitable water, you're not going to get good rain. But also conversely, if you have high precipitable water, but without great dynamics, you're also not going to get great rain. So this is today, and we're still dry, but we're looking at these areas out in here to bring us chances of rain. Notice how this area kind of breaks up a little bit. This will be the passing wave that we get on Wednesday night and Thursday. So this is an area of good precipitable water right here. And then as it comes into California, Wednesday night and Thursday, it kind of falls apart. But again, we'll still see some rain. And the next area also doesn't look as good as it has on previous runs of the model, but still that's a favorable pattern right there. That's Saturday to bring us some nice rain and snow. And then here's that cutoff low here, and you can see the best precipitable water because of that is forced to our south, but we would still see rain into the day on Sunday. Then that low moves in, and then we have that dry flow from the north, but still there may be some rain and snow from that early next week. So let me show you the way the NAM shows this early rain chance, the first one on Wednesday night and Thursday. This is Wednesday afternoon. Get into Wednesday night. This is Wednesday around midnight. Rain in Lake County, snow in Plumas County, and then this is the best rain we're going to see. This is about 1 o'clock in the morning. And then by the time we get to, go to Thursday morning. Thursday morning at 7 a.m., there'll be lingering showers. Snow level probably in the range of 5,000 feet. And then all that dissipates Thursday night and into the day on Friday. And we're probably going to see somewhere in the range of a quarter to maybe as much as a half an inch. Half an inch is probably on the high side. So that's the NAM, the not the HRRR, the GFS obviously goes farther out in time. And this is the way the GFS shows it, somewhat weaker, but similar. Then we're dry on Friday. This is Saturday morning. This is the next wave of rain coming our way. This is Saturday afternoon. Rain, higher snow levels, maybe as high as 7,000. And then dropping down, and then more waves of rain coming our way into Sunday. And here is that low spinning around out here, and the rain coming up from the south. Let me go back over that. So you can see, just picture that low down to the south, and everything's coming up from the south, spreading rain our way, leading to showers on Monday. And then that next cold wave comes by on Tuesday to drop the snow levels, but with very limited amounts. And in terms of rain amounts, I'll just go through the total precipitation here from the GFS. So this model drops 1/3 of an inch of rain on Wednesday night, Thursday morning. The next wave on Saturday and into early Sunday drops another 1/2 inch. And then we get into Monday and maybe we get another inch, something like that, for a total of 178, according to that model. But as I said, some runs have been wetter, especially with the Saturday, Sunday wave. We'll see. I still expect that some of the models will come in wetter over the next couple of days and some will come in drier. But in terms of your planning, right now, looks like the first rain would be Wednesday night, Thursday, something modest, but still enough there'll be chain controls in the Sierra. Likely a break on Friday, and then rain chances increase on Saturday. But exactly when it's going to start raining and snowing on Saturday, we're not going to know that maybe until Wednesday night or Thursday morning to be able to tell you, okay, Saturday morning's going to be fine, Saturday afternoon's going to be wet. Something we'll be able to nail that down here in the next couple of days. But just know that for your weekend, oh, that's right, and it's a 3-day weekend, I think, for a lot of folks. For your weekend travel plans, just know that there is going to be some active weather coming in and that you need to pay attention to the forecast, as there will be some changes in that for travel, especially Sierra travel. So that's everything I've got for you this morning on this Monday morning. Like I said, some sunshine out there. Should be a good looking day. Let's see, I'll be in the studio later on today, so to do the news at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. So in the meantime, make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.